Welcome to the Quick Start Guide, getting started in 5 minutes with Bliss Timer. Now, this is from the Bliss Timer manual, so I suggest following through with your manual at the same time as this video. Okay, so this is a quick look at getting started with Bliss Timer. Now, to be able to use Bliss Timer, you need .NET Framework 3.5 installed, which is free from Microsoft, as well as Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Okay, so look through the PDF file for those links, or you can search them online. You need .NET Framework 3.5 and Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2013. Okay, once you got those, when you buy Bliss Timer, it will come a zip format like this. If you've got Unzip or 7-zip or Windows own built-in unzipping program can unzip this file. I've got 7-zip on here, so what you'll do is you'll just double click it, select everything, and then extract it to your desired location. I've got it in the context menu here when you right click, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and extract a Bliss Timer. Okay, so we've got the file here, folder here rather. We open it up and we've got the master version, staff version, the manual, EULA agreement, license, and welcome.bliss. Okay, so going through the manual, we've unzipped number 1, that's done. Number 2, start the Bliss Timer in the master folder. So if we come in here, we can start it from here. Now, to make things quicker, you can right click and drag this to the desktop, and you've got an option to create shortcut here, or you can move it. It doesn't save anything to your registry, so you can be sure to save this on a thumb drive on your computer, wherever, and it's pretty simple, pretty neat. Okay, this is the shorter version of the video. There is a longer version of this video, and it will explain all of the features more in depth, but this one's more about getting started, being able to use Bliss Timer. So that is our focus today. So open it up and you've got this lovely simple screen to work with. Okay, so what you're going to do is a simple process. You've started Bliss Timer. So what's next? There's 3 areas that we need to look at. One is focus. Next is the actual list, the processes, your notes, your time. Okay, so you start with a focus. You type out what your goal is, and then you go from there. So learn Bliss Timer, or we could go with plan our day, or plan our successful day. Whatever your goal is, put it in there and then press go, and then it will close this bit up and it will show it here, and it will show it here at the bottom as well, plan our successful day. So even when we minimize, we know what we are focused on. So then we've got all of this stuff here, and then you could have affirmations, breakfast, shower, whatever the case might be. Here's where you put in your individual tasks to achieve this goal, or the process for accomplishing whatever it is. So you have up to 10 sections that you can enter information into. You can press you can go in here, you press enter to get to the next sections. Just come up. So we've got all of these different sections. So you've got up to 10 sections you can add. Checkboxes come to the right, your timers are on the left. So once you've put in your focus, put in your list of things that you need to do, then you can press start. I am going to be successful today. I am going to be successful today. And however long you was going to do that for, you do that, and then once you completed, you check that off right here. So then you can do that for all of them, and then you know you've achieved success. So next thing is your notes. So then you can put in your notes, you know, whatever for today. Jackie called. So then you could have your notes here of things that happened during the day, or you can put your list here, start your list in here, and then after that select them and right click, and then right click again and paste it in, select, right click cut, and then right click paste, etc, etc, and then you would know what you're working on. So that's how you do your tasks and checking them off. You've got your total time here and your note section here. And then what you would do is, if you want to save absolutely everything on this screen, including your times, you would click save state. And if you just wanted to include your labels and notes and the focus, then you would just save the template and save in the BLN format. The saving state format is under .blis, .bliss format, and this is BLN format for button labels, notes. So we click that and save, and it tells us there is saved. So if we just open up another one, and then we go open state, we've got absolutely everything we put in, including our focus. Another thing is, you can tell you in the master version because it says master. Again, the master version allows you to save everything. The staff version doesn't, because that's how the license runs. You're allowed to have one version of master, and up to 40 staff using Bliss Timer in your organization. Please be sure to check your license and EULA, etc., to make sure what's in the limitations of your license. Okay, so let's try this again. Let's go to master and click Bliss Timer, and then let's open template, this time BLN. We saved it under. It asks you to confirm yes, and we've loaded it, and as you can see, all this information is not there anymore. All we've got is our notes and the processes, which is great for handing to staff or creating packs and reselling them. If you've got any specialist knowledge in whatever area, you can create packs and you can sell it to them. Okay, so that's pretty much how you get started. Enjoy achievement number 6. So this has taken a bit longer, but in reality you can get started in under 5 minutes. All you need to do is open up Bliss Timer, put in what you need to do today, start getting your processes, what you do over and over again, and jot them down, and you have the same things that billion-dollar companies are using today to be billion-dollar companies, or with the right processes. So if you know the right process, you follow it through, you'll get your achievement. So create the world you want to create, because it's out there for you, and Bliss is there to help make it happen. It's a simple software, not complex. You can open up as many Bliss timers as you want on your system, like this, and you can plan your whole day and everything. Remember that the timer, this is designed, actual time wise, is designed for instant, that day results. So don't go over 24 hours here. You want to be creating your success today, not tomorrow, but plan today, plan tomorrow today as well. So if you haven't got Bliss timer, you're well behind as compared to everyone who's got Bliss timer. So be sure to buy it today and become successful. There's a affiliate program as well. If you can get this out there, get the word out about Bliss timer, you can earn some fabulous amounts of money by helping promote Bliss timer. I hope you've enjoyed this short video, and I look forward to hearing about your success. Remember, come to the About menu, and there's some essentials there, video tutorials, getting started, which should bring you to the longer version of this video, and there should be a link there also to this video. Facebook page, so you can stay up to date with the latest happenings. When there's upgrades, what upgrades, come in there, have a chat, like the page, and let's help make a simple software that allows you to achieve the kind of success you've been looking for, and just get that project done. So to your success, and create a great day.